Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Mela.q Plus Cream is probably one of the most sought-after skincare solutions for those battling stubborn dark spots and uneven skin tone, promising a brighter, more radiant complexion with its advanced Korean formulation. This potent cream is designed to target hyperpigmentation at its source, working diligently to fade melasma, sunspots, and post-acne marks, ultimately revealing smoother, clearer, and more luminous skin that looks and feels revitalized. If you're dreaming of achieving that coveted glass skin effect and saying goodbye to discoloration, this product might just be the game changer you've been searching for in your skincare routine. Number 5. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for Dry Skin. Are you struggling with dry, uncomfortable skin? Discover a solution designed to provide lasting hydration and relief. This cream is your answer to softer, healthier-looking skin. It's expertly formulated with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. These essential ingredients work together to help restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Experience a formula that is both gentle and effective. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for daily use on your face and body. Incorporate this daily moisturizer into your routine for continuous comfort. It keeps your skin feeling smooth and hydrated throughout the day. With a generous 19-ounce size, you have plenty to keep your skin nourished. Enjoy long-lasting care without frequent repurchasing. This cream is specifically designed to help repair and protect your skin's vital barrier. Feel the difference as it replenishes moisture and enhances skin health. What we like. This cream is a powerhouse for dry skin. It's formulated with essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid for deep hydration. If you have very dry or sensitive skin and need a generous amount for daily use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cream has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively brightens the complexion and reduces the appearance of dark spots. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in skin hydration and smoothness after consistent use. Number 4. CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion SPF 30. Start your day with essential hydration and sun protection. This lightweight formula is perfect for daily use, keeping your skin moisturized and shielded. It's enriched with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. These key ingredients work together to support your skin's natural barrier and retain moisture. Enjoy broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays. It helps defend your skin from sun damage throughout the day. This oil-free moisturizer won't clog pores, making it ideal for all skin types, including acne-prone skin. It feels light and won't leave a greasy residue. Make it your go-to morning moisturizer. It provides the perfect balance of hydration, nourishment, and sun protection to prepare your skin for the day ahead. Formulated to be gentle on the skin while delivering effective results. It's a simple yet powerful addition to your daily skincare routine. What we like. This lotion offers daily sun protection along with moisturizing benefits. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to support your skin barrier. If you're looking for a convenient morning moisturizer that combines hydration and SPF, this is perfect for simplifying your routine. What people say. The cream has a very light texture and absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively brightens the complexion and reduces the appearance of dark spots. My skin feels smoother and more hydrated after using it for a few weeks. Number 3. SeoulCeuticals Snail Mucin Moisturizer 2 ounces. Unlock the power of K-beauty with our advanced skincare. Discover a formula designed to revitalize your complexion. Our cream is packed with 97.5% pure snail mucin, a potent ingredient known for its reparative properties. It works to deeply nourish and restore your skin. This powerful cream helps repair damaged skin and promotes a more youthful appearance. It's your secret weapon against signs of aging. Enjoy continuous hydration and anti-aging benefits around the clock. Use it day and night for optimal results. We believe in beauty without harm. Our product is proudly cruelty-free, ensuring a gentle yet effective skincare experience. Incorporate this moisturizer into your daily routine for visibly smoother and more radiant skin. It's the perfect addition to achieve a healthy glow. What we like. Experience the benefits of snail mucin for repair and rejuvenation. This cream is designed to combat aging signs and deeply moisturize. If you're interested in K-beauty and seeking a product that targets fine lines and promotes a youthful glow, this is a must-try. What people say. The cream has a good texture and is easily absorbed. It effectively brightens the skin and reduces dark spots. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in skin tone and clarity. Number 2. DearKlairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Discover the ultimate daily hydration with this serum. It's designed to quench your skin's thirst, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. Infused with Centella asiatica, this serum works to calm and soothe your skin. It provides a gentle touch, perfect for sensitive complexions. Enjoy a lightweight, non-greasy feel with every application. It absorbs quickly, providing moisture without any heavy residue. This formula is completely unscented and vegan-friendly. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for consistent hydration. It's the perfect step to maintain soft, supple skin all day long. Hyaluronic acid is a key ingredient that draws moisture to your skin. This helps to plump and hydrate, giving you a healthy glow. What we like. This serum provides immediate soothing and hydration with Centella asiatica. Its lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly. If you have irritated or dehydrated skin and prefer a cooling sensation, this serum is ideal for a refreshing boost. What people say. The cream is very moisturizing and leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth. It helped to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling greasy. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. It's a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types, providing immediate comfort and lasting hydration. This face cream is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide. These key ingredients help to restore the skin's natural barrier and soothe irritation. Whether your skin is oily, dry, or sensitive, this moisturizer is suitable for you. It offers a gentle yet effective solution for everyone. Experience instant relief from dryness and discomfort. This moisturizer works quickly to leave your skin feeling soft and replenished. Enjoy continuous hydration throughout the day. It helps to maintain your skin's moisture balance, preventing dryness and flakiness. This product is completely fragrance-free. It's ideal for those with sensitive skin or anyone who prefers unscented skincare. What we like. This moisturizer offers dual action for skin barrier repair and hydration. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. If you need a reliable daily moisturizer that provides comfort and lasting moisture without irritation, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The cream has a pleasant texture and absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively brightens the complexion and reduces the appearance of dark spots. My skin feels smoother and more hydrated after using this cream regularly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.